I really like it when tools have multiple uses, and with a little creativity, we can use them for different purposes. In this video, we will learn how to easily set up outside lighting and control them accurately. As you can see in here, we are going to work on this scene, which has two green areas and a street that needs to be lit. So we're going to start with a family, which is baluster family. Go to File and New and Family. In here, I'm going to select this baluster. Let's go to ref level. Here we need to load the lighting family that we either have created before or have downloaded from different sites. I usually download my files from beamobject.com. You can check that site and you can find any family lighting, anything that you want from there. So I'm going to go to insert and load family, and from this part I'm going to load my family. Okay, now let's go to create, and from this component load the family to this part. I am going to click on rotate to have it in this part, and I'm going to place it exactly in the center. Now let's go to 3D view to see where it is. Okay, I think we need to probably put this part in the center, so I am going to move this from this point to here. Yes, much better. Now you can save this family and load it into your project. Perfect. Now for the second part, we are going to set lightings around this area. Okay, you can see these curves in here, these corners, and you can use like array for these parts, but it will be so hard to control it. So we are going to use railing tool instead. I'm going to click on this part and select this sketch path. Now I'm going to just simply create my path. I'm going to use this pick line, and with like 10 centimeter offset, I'm going to zoom in and create a line in all of these parts. Now after I created lines like this, I'm going to connect them together this way, this one bit here, and like this. I selected the blocks as reference, but you can select any other thing you want. Okay, I'm going to delete this part, and to have the perfect curve, you can either like fillet this part or use this line as reference. With 30 centimeter offset, I'm going to create a curve like this in here. Now you can check it again, and if you need, you can like change them like this. I'm going to move it to this part. Let's trim them again and check the other side too. Okay, it looks good, and all of these parts are looking perfect. Let's change the view to see all of these railings, okay, around this area, and perfect. After that, we need to go to edit type and first duplicate this family. So I'm going to just change its name to lighting, and then we need to go to baluster placement. In here, first thing we need to do is to select the family that we just created. From this baluster family, I'm going to open it and select the family, this one, outside lighting. Okay, and then I'm going to click on OK to see it in here. Now instead of each one of those balusters, we can see this lighting, but obviously the distance between them is too much. So let's go to edit type again, baluster placement, and from this distance from previous, we can change it to, for example, 3 meters between them. Okay, and okay. This is much better. At least we can see these families. And the interesting thing in this part is that you can see that this lighting is facing the right way to this part, and the other one in here is facing this part. So you don't need to like rotate or control them this way. If you have used array, you had to rotate them multiple times. Let's go back to edit type to this part and change the distance between them. I think we can go with 7 meter, 8 meter. And also you can see these parts. This is the corner post, this one. We are going to put all of these on none or you can again select this outside lighting for them. I want to have a like 7 meter distance between them, so I'm going to put all of them on none. Okay, and okay, perfect. This is really good. I think we can make the distance between them even more than this, maybe 10 meter, 12 meter, but I think for now it's good. The other problem that we have in here is this top railing. So how we can fix this one? Let's go back to the setting, baluster placement, and you see in here that the top is set on top rail element, but we should change it and put it on Haas and also give some offset to it. Let's go with 40 centimeter and okay. Now in here in the top properties, we are going to go to top rail and you just need to uncheck it so we don't see any top rail in here. Okay, and that's it. Now for the other side, you can do the same. And also for this part, you just need to create a very straight line. So let's go to railing, the sketch path, and I'm going to just create a line from this point to here. You can create one to this part and another one from this point to the other side. I'm going to create one to this part and then hit finish. Now let's go to this view and you can see the same set of balusters in this part, but if you change it to this lighting, all of them will turn into these lightings like this, and they are facing the wrong way. So let's go to top view and just simply mirror them with no copy like this to here. Also, you can change the distance between them again. From this part, let's put them on 12 meter and okay. Perfect. So that's it, another hack for railings. If you want to learn more about railings or balusters, you can watch these two videos. I really hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial and I will see you next time.